Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the autofill settings in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So if you don't want your information to be autofilled into website autofill forms, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that off or on, depending on your preference. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up Edge if it's not already open, and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right to open up the Settings and More menu. Go down and select the Settings button, and then you should make sure Profiles is selected over here on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go and select Personal Info. So go ahead and left click on that. On this page near the top, it should say Save and Fill Basic Info. You can go ahead and just toggle that to the off position, as well as automatically fill my info on sign-up forms. You can also have the option of keeping that turned on, the first option, which is saving and filling basic info, but you can disable the fill my info on sign-up forms option, which is the second subcategory there. So a couple different options you can customize in here. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.